and the place real dark. Me inside like a chicken waiting for pluck stock. Me wrap up in a blanket, drinking bush tea. Scrolling Facebook, everybody booed up, but me it pour like cat and dog. But I hear no meow, no barking, no romance, not even a cow. Just thunder clapping like it vex bad. And me talking to myself like I gone mad. Rain falling and I all alone. No cuddle body, no sweet honeycomb. While them lovers get cozy and kissing up strong, and they counting raindrops and singing sad song. Rain falling, no Lord of grace, like the sky crying for me and me lonely face. When it rain it pour, but not me again. Only thunder, lightning and emotional pain. The breeze blow me curtain like it want hug me. Even Alexa say you okay, buddy. I light a candle for vibes, now the light gone too. So me cuddle with me pillow, it's soft but it blue. Them couples posting Netflix and chill. I watching raindrop race on the windowsill. One friend text say come outside, let's dance in the rain. But with me luck, me go slip and mash me brain. Rain falling and I all alone. No cuddle body, no sweet honeycomb. While them lovers get cozy and kissing up strong, I get counting raindrops and singing sad song. Rain falling, oh Lord of grace, like the sky crying for me and me lonely face. When it rain it pour, but not me again. Only thunder, lightning and emotional pain. Them say rain does wash away all dirtiness. Well, carry away my stress, my ex, and she knew man Verman too, yes. I try manifesting love by dancing in the rain, but instead I get sneeze and a belly pain. I'm praying for sunshine and maybe a day, not thunder, that sound like judgment game. Couples inside kissing up sweet, and me eating roti and watching me own heartbeat. Rain falling and I all alone. No cuddle body, no sweet honeycomb. While them lovers get cozy and kissing up strong, and they counting raindrops and singing sad song. Rain falling, oh Lord of grace, like the sky crying for me and me lonely face. When it rain it pour, but not me again. Only thunder, lightning and emotional pain. Next time rain falling, I go in by my neighbor. She got 3 cats, 2 dogs, and she always cooking pepper pot. Better to smell meat than smell my own tears. Rain falling, but somebody must fall